Are you building? I'm sorry, the flare is the... Gwenny, build. I want to see you building.
Hello. Do more.
Uh-oh.
Do more, Gwen. There you go.
Nice job. Yay. You did it.
Yay!
Where else are you going to build? Push your car. You push it? Oh, wow. That's tall.
Yay!
Oh, that's a very nice job, Gwen. Yellow. They look like they might topple. I always knew you were going to be an architect.
Wow, I love to have a ride in that car.
See where... Oh, that one doesn't go like that. Let's fix that. This doesn't go like that. Let's give